Hi, welcome to our channel Niche Products. Hope you are doing good. So far we have covered on various web registers. Today we are going to cover on interesting domain register where Global Domain International Inclusive, which is there from 2004, and even I came to know it very recently, 1.5 year back. And you can generate passive income while you are doing hosting as well as web domain registrations, and by referring some other people, and you might be knowing reseller program and affiliate programs where many domain registers and many products have been offering for different people. So in the same way, this also I think in the terms of affiliate program, this is also there, but it is an interesting thing what this Global Domain International is. Not only affiliate program, it is a MLM program. So MLM program is like a multi-level marketing program, so where you can have n number of people under you, where they can register the domain names of their choice and host their personal websites or business websites, and generate revenue for their lifetime. So which is first you register as a affiliate program and a domain name with $10 per month per year, and which is nothing but $120. In other websites maybe $75 or $80 per hosting you'll be charged per year, or less than that. So but in this, what is the advantage is, if you refer 5 people, you'll be getting $5 per month, which is nothing but 5 into 12, $60 you are getting as a recurring income, even though you purchase the hosting for $10 into $120. So half the amount you are getting every year. It is till they just you refer 5 people, and every year you are getting the half of the revenue whom you referred. They also will be holding their website, their business website. If you refer 10 people, for suppose even though they don't have anyone under them, so 10 people, each person will be given $1 commission to you, by the company, and which is nothing but $10 into 12 months, $120, whatever the payment for your website you are doing for hosting, that is you are anyway getting it, for every year. And moreover, you will be having an access to your website or business website with the 10 people email address hosting under you, and all those benefits you'll be getting along with so if for suppose what is the multi-level marketing, so different people has different perceptions on the multi-level marketing. I don't want to say whether it is good or bad, because it's all up to individual how do they want to take it, because we have been seeing this multi-level marketing from 2000 also. There are people sending so many other health products, and even we have a very good product that is been selling from 2000s on various other products as well. So the even now also they are selling, and there is a different kinds of marketing that we will discuss in the later videos and sessions on network marketing, what is MLM marketing, what is online marketing, what is digital marketing, and all those things we will discuss on various marketing techniques on the future videos. But first, what exactly this Global Domain International does as a web domain registers. It does all the domain registers what other domain registers do, hosting, domain broking service, and but only thing is advantage is here you'll be getting multi-level marketing. With multi-level marketing you'll be getting a passive income which is generated for your lifetime. So first initially for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year you need to find hard time in getting the referrals or people onboarding under you. So once they are onboarded, and the people, because IT industry is growing and people are becoming tech savvy. I mean, everyone needs a personal website, business website, and for the next 30 years, definitely everyone should have these websites, right? I mean, so if you search for a .com or .in website, definitely the names which are of your interest is not available. For suppose Hyderabad.com, if I search, it is not available. For suppose Hyderabad.in, if I search, it is not available. If for suppose Vizag.com, Delhi.com, doing Delhi.in, Vizag.in, these are not available. Whereas in Global Domain International, I see that Vizag.in .ws is still available, Delhi.w is still available, Ahmedabad.ws is still available. There are various domain names which are available still for your interest of choice. I would suggest you to go and explore this beautiful domain registers. And even I've been I know domain registers from 2000 on various things, but I don't know this Global Domain International in last 1.5 years. People may be doing from 2004, and there are people earning commissions from 2004 on this MLM. So even you don't get if you get for the next 5 years or 10 years also, it is a very good income which is there. I mean, definitely internet is going to be there for the next 30 years, and the people keep registering the domains and blogs and businesses, and it is not going to end. And if you really want a very good domain, definitely you won't be getting, because until and unless someone sells, I mean, in this Global Domain International, you will be getting a premium domains that are available for even for $100 to $200, $600. Even 2-character domain names are available. 3-character domain names are available. So you need to search all those good domains. I'll show you all those domain names which are available right now. So even it has various domain. See, it not only gives one domain hosting, one SSL, and it is recently WordPress is tied up with this global domain, and before SiteMinder is the only tool where you need to register you need to customize the website. You can host your website by customizing one website, and they'll Global Domain International itself, they will be customizing your websites, 5 websites for you to campaign or marketing in your social platforms without even you doing nothing. Just you need to just pay 750 rupees for a month, which we usually spend a lot of money on various things. 750 rupees if you spend on this to start a small business by referring someone, and if they joins also, you'll be getting the recurring income, and also you'll be getting the hosting website, and also you'll be getting 10 email IDs at your name of your choice, like ravi@hyderabad.ws or ravi@firstintown.ws, like that. I'll be getting different domain names of my choice, right? So this is the best opportunity where if you really want to start a business, where want to have a good domain with multiple passive income generation things, and also WordPress is available, and SiteMinder tools are available. There are various bonuses are also available. If you want to gift a son or your daughter, they want to, while they are doing some education still during engineering or some MBA, still you want to present something which is useful for them. You can present a $20 gift card by buying a website of their choice, and ask them to create blogs of their own, and publish them in the Google website, and create an AdSense account, and all these things they can do. This way, they keep learning the things and generate income after a certain period of time. So these are all the best things which I would suggest you to encourage your kids, and even students try exploring from degree or intermediate itself. You can register some domain.ws domain name, and start generating passive income, which is there available for domain for this particular domain I don't see any other domain registers that it gives passive income, but Global Domain International is giving passive income, which is very good, and other domain registers are giving first time affiliate commissions like 20% or 30%, or some even gives 40%, depends on their thing. But this is the one which is giving for the lifetime if you refer people. So that is a very good opportunity, which even though it is a $1, you need to bring 100 people or 500 people or 1,000 people. It is up to your capacity, and if you bring 5 people in a week, they will be giving some $25, and there is a learning bonus. If you complete that, you'll be getting $25 bonus. And if you bring more than 10 people, I think there is $100 bonus. So you can browse the website, and you can also, if you are really interested, you can reach out to me, to my email ID, or comment me, so that I can explain you in detail what exactly and how to register and all those things. And I can guide you and mentor you on this Global Domain International, as well as the other passive income generating tools. But I'm telling you, this is not going to be happen immediately. You need to have patience, and you need to wait for some at least 1 to 2 years to have a fixed income that is going to generate. But it's a good tool while you are having your personal or business side, along with some regular income that down the line you can get it. I mean, if you are really registering a domain, I mean, because no other domain is providing such benefits. So I would suggest you to go for this if you are really not having a domain and planning to go with a particular domain. Okay, let us see now the different services they provide on the Global Domain International, and what are the advantages compared to other domain registers. So, if you see in the Global Domain Name International is INC, Global Domain Website .ws. So, what exactly they does is about registrars, premium domains, and pricing. If you go, you'll get it all the details. And it is a top 500 company. What is .ws domain? .ws is a globally accessible top level domain that works like just .com and .net. Anyone anywhere can register a .ws domain and establish a personal internet of life. So it is as good as .com, .net, .in, and other registrars. So even to be honest, I don't know this .ws domain till last 1.5 year. I know only this .ws domain is available. See, until and unless you explore on different domain names and what are so we always go with the top domain registers, right? So whatever the domain registers which I shared you earlier, I mean, are famous, and they do advertise more in TVs and Google Ads, blogs, and everywhere. But some companies don't do the different kinds of marketing. I mean, it goes with the mouth publicity, and it goes with the referrals and other things. I mean, they don't need, I mean, a lot of marketing things, and they are paying for it. So, right. So in that way, I mean, I can say when I know different domain registers from 2000, but I never heard about Global Domain International until and unless I explore different work from home options, or revenue generating things which are available. So in that line, when I keep on searching, I got it. Global Domain International, how it is valid, is it real generating income source, or something like that. So really it is a good revenue generating income source, along with a better hosting domain name, which are available still with the names which you like. Because I definitely, we always prefer different good domain names, right? I mean, if you search for domain names, I mean, there are a few domain names which are available, which you can even just have these. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. see, are you interested affiliates? It is nothing but you're a reseller affiliates. So you can be a reseller for these domain names, hosting and services. And so for every person you join, I mean, or he buys a $10 per month hosting service. $10 per hosting service is nothing but you will get a one domain name, you will get one hosting service with SSL and built-in five blogs which are available for you, and one website which you can customize and host, and 10 email addresses with 10 GB or so. I mean, you can have this kind of features for any small business is enough. So along with that, so you can refer other people under you, or friends, or any other business people. They can have this domain names registered under you. They'll get I mean, you will be getting every person you refer, you will get $1. Maybe initially you think that $1 is very less, but five people you refer and leave it, and those five people ask them to refer five people under them. I mean, somewhere around 25 people you're under you. So in that way, I mean, you can. It is not that only the MLM happens. I mean, you can also invite 100 people. They don't need to refer five people also. You can even then also you'll get 100 people. They host their website also. You'll get $100 per month. So like that, it is a passive income which you don't need to do. I mean, as long as they are hosting the website for you, they that will be generating a revenue for you forever. So this way, I mean, it is a very good generating source of income which you can think of. I mean, if someone is interested, and for starting a small with I mean 750 rupees per month, and have your own blog, have your own good domain, have your own email address, for suppose Ravi at Hyderabad.ws I want. I can have it. For suppose I have a domain firstintown.com, Ravi at firstintown.ws. Like that, I can have the domain. So you can have your domain registered, and you can have your email ID. I mean, you don't need to have only Ravi at gmail.com, Ravi at yahoo.com only. You can have your own domain name registered, and you can have your email configured to that domain, so that it is how professional it would be. And when you're doing some business, you can send your a mail using your own professional email address to all the customers across the globe, and which is very good. As I said, I mean, if you see, uh, there are some more other things. I mean, if you see, as I said, Hyderabad, I'm searching Hyderabad.ws. Sorry, Hyderabad.ws is already taken. Don't ask me who has taken, because I'll let you know later. If you see Vizag.ws, it is still available. If you see Delhi.ws, it is still available. So, so if you search with Vizag.com, it is already taken, and the Delhi.com, it is taken, and if for suppose Delhi.in is taken, Vizag.in, it is taken. So if you see, all the domain extensions are already taken. So very few extensions are available, and if you see, These are still available extensions in .ws with the revenue generating for you for your lifetime passive generating income. And good one more good thing is domain name when WS Global Domain International is also tied up with WordPress recently, and they can you can have whatever the customized website in WordPress, and along with the SiteMinder domain can be configured. Website can be configured and host these websites in this. You can see here GDI tutorials how to host a website and all those things and all is there. Now, if you see, go to GDI bonuses or order goodies, all these things. Gift cards. If you see, gift cards are there. You can gift a card of your domain for your friend or family member or your son or daughter with a domain name for about 12 months. Let her try for something extraordinary which you want to do on some educational website or on some informational website. Let her try on Google what she can achieve it on the website by giving a some gift card on her birthday. And if you see, there is a whatever the domain registers you can have here, and you can see here domain name availability. And see, since you can have affiliates, right? You can show the upline and downline who referred you and all. So if you see here, replicated sites, website global domain name international can is replicating this number of websites. If you click clipboard presentation, so if you open these websites, these are all different website configured for you by default. If you see any click, if you click, if you click any website that is configured by website global domain name international, it has a referral link, so you can invite from any person. So you can have your own domain name and salutation and all those things. So that way, you can have it, the domain names. So that's why I was telling you all these things. So these are all different links which are created by Global Domain Name International. So you just once you have this trial version 7 days for free, you will have these tools available. After 7 days, if you really want to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, you can leave it. And one more good thing is there are some training courses which are available, and if you hold all those this website for 2.5 months and complete this in 1 month, you'll get a $25, which is almost even though you don't generate an income for 3 months, you can host this website if you complete this. And in 3 months you can try out people whom you can refer or ask them to join this website and host, and ask them to join this global domain international and have their own personal website or some other domain name they can register, which is there for their business and all, which is very good. So this way, when they can earn regular passive income at the same time, they can have their own website built in by global domain name international, but for some time, and you can configure your own customized website using WordPress. Or if you do not know using the tools, you can even ask someone for 1,000 or 2,000 rupees by asking someone to modify the WordPress website by giving this access. They can create it for you. It's hardly 1,500 rupees they take if you provide all these tools. They create it the WordPress site for you. And this way, you can have your personal website. You can have your blogs created with your content every week. You can post your content with your own personalized website, and you can send mails, and you can do the mail campaign with your own mail ID. So all these things can be done using along with a regular passive income that can be generated if you refer 5 to 10 people or 50 people or 100 people, so depending on your capability. So this way, I mean, it generates more income. So I would suggest you to start if you are serious about running, getting money online, work from home without lot of investment, just with 750 rupees per month investment. You can do, because we do many things before going for pizza. Also, we spend 750 rupees. I believe, I mean, 750 rupees is not a very big amount for anyone who is spending a lot. And with this, you can do your business and you can generate passive income. So don't think that this generates revenue immediately, but it's a long-term thing which you have to think of. You should have a vision, and you should keep spending 15 to 20 minutes in a day to just uh, advertise or put that links in social platform and all this referrals. I mean, to known people or no. See, across the globe, you can refer. It is not that to only known people. It is worldwide. Any person you can refer, and you can give some other benefits also. All these things you can do. So it's up to you. How do you want to take? So I would suggest you to really seriously think about this domain names, global domain name international, which is the first one which I am telling about how to generate passive income. So going forward, also I'll start giving solutions on different ways of generating passive income. In the previous videos also, I told you about the basics of how to create a website and how to register and all domain. And in those domain website list also, there are affiliate programs, but that is a different program, and this is a different program that every person only one time you will get 20% or 30% commission. But here is a multi-level thing which keeps on getting the revenue as the number grows. So which is a very good thing. I mean, you don't know the power of it, until you use and start doing it, because there are people earning lakhs and crores in multi-level marketing, but we do think that that kind of marketing we cannot do, and we don't know how to do and all many things. We stop thinking about such things. When we are spending too much on many things, these small things we can start taking the initiative and start creating something to start today. I'll share you the links and where you can even register those domains. If you are serious about it, I can help you or guide you in increasing these kind of users for under you. And once we join as a team, we can start having many other ways of promoting people and tools, all these things. So I'll let you know going forward, along with the videos I do. So whenever there is a change, I'll keep you posted. So just start updating it, your domain, global domain international, and with the given link, and start earning income for your lifetime. We have discussed various things, and I'm also discussing about the pricings, right? So if you see here, dot domain ws domain pricing is standard pricing with 4 character and longer than domain names. It is $35 initial registration fee plus each additional year $35. If you register only the domain, but if you register as a affiliate person, it is $10 per person, I guess. And there are also 3 character domain names containing 3 characters. It is $600 initial registration fee with 3 characters. If for suppose 3 letter word, whatever the word, job is a 3 character word. So job.com. So if I want to register, that is, if that is available, there are popular domain names with 3 letter keywords. So that is initial thing is $600, and each year again $35. 2 characters, and again it is $1,200, and each year $35. There are specific international domains. If you see, it is in different country, Chinese or some other country. .ws, I mean $35. $35 is, and some .ws extensions with emojis. I mean it is 35. And premium domains, whatever you purchased, would be again that would be as per the cost. So if you see here, premium domains will be available. Here are the sample of some premium .ws. So dreamhouse.ws. How good it is, dreamhouse.ws? It is very good, right? Dreamhouse.ws is domain name. So do you think that dreamhouse.w.com or .in will be available? So everyone, every person will be having a dream house, right, in life, and every person dream is to have a dream house, right? So how good is that dreamhouse.ws domain for you to have? So it is a wonderful website, domain name, which you want to have. You can register it. Hotwater.ws. This is also very good domain name. Twist.ws. Some are the premium .ws domain names, but they are available. In some cases, they are not available in .com or .in, where even though you are interested, you can't buy it. But here, these are available domain names, premium .ws domains, which is available for some premium cost, which are selling by .ws register, and desk.ws, which is also a very good domain name. Caption.ws, which is very good one. Sol.ws. So you can search n number of domain names here, with very good domain names: accelerated, achieve, acquire, across dot, act dot, actress.ws. And these are all available domain names with the premium availability. And I would suggest you to search for your better domain name and go appeal applicant.ws. And these are very good premium domains, which may not be available in the near future when some many people start buying these domain names. I would suggest you to go and search for your either business or popular business domain with extensions with .ws, or so for your business which is not available. So bootcamp.ws, bounce.ws, bouncer, I mean bound. These are all very business online, busy time. But very good domain names which are available, which are not available in .com and .in. So I would prefer you go and search with all these domain names, search with, and register of your choice, and I'll share you the link, and whichever you want to buy, you just share, I mean buy from the link, and we can discuss how we can collaborate each other going forward in the weekend or some other time, whichever is you are available. If you are really interested in this kind of passive income, generated income, and we can discuss on various other ideas as well.